Guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I am going to be making a juice, but what I'm going to be using is some pumpkin, papaya, carrot, and I'm going to use a lemon. So guys, let's jump into this video, guys, and thank you all for coming back and thank you for all the support, everyone. Let's jump into this video. So guys, I'm going to be using my Collagen Revel 830 today. So papaya is a tropical fruit. It is high in vitamin C and antioxidant. Certain compound in papaya, guys, may be anti-cancerous, and it helps to improve your heart health among other health benefits. And guys, here I have also some carrots. Carrots are good for eyes, and pumpkin is very good for us. So guys, I've washed all my carrots, so I'm gonna pack them in the bowl. My glass was over here. I'm gonna just cut the ends off. And I'm gonna just get the skin off this piece of pumpkin. I'm gonna cut this up just like that. I'm not using my big knife today, I'm just going to use my small knife. I'm going to just peel my lemon, just a small one. We only just need one, guys. Leave just a little bit of the skin on. You know, the skin of a lemon is good. Back in the days, my grandma used to make the juice. So guys, I'm gonna be cutting my papaya, and I'm gonna scrape out the seeds. Guys, I'm not going to throw the seeds away. Did you know that the seeds are good for parasites? You can take a spoon of this. Guys, you can Google it. Check it out for your own self. Check the info. It's good. So guys, I'm just cutting them down like this because it's always good when you do it like this, so you can go into the Collagen juicer. So I'm going to cut them in half. Make sure you guys can see everything what's going on. This is gonna be a lovely juice. So this is all that I've got. So guys, I'm gonna get into my juicing. So guys, I'm gonna start putting in my papayas, a few pieces of pumpkin, and then I'm gonna go to this side of the machine and put the carrot in. So guys, I am putting my carrot down the feeding chute, and on the other side I'm putting my papaya in. So guys, the flip gate system is designed to prevent children with small hands from entering and putting things in the feeding chute, so that is why it's made like this. So the benefit of the papaya and the carrots and the pumpkin is super good for us. So guys, I hope you will try this drink. Look how bright the color is. I just come up with this combination, and I tell you, it's the second time I'm making it and it was so nice. Guys, I'm telling you. So guys, I'm gonna let out my first batch of juice, and of course I'm gonna turn on my juicer so it can pump out the rest of the juice. Look at that. Look how beautiful it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my second batch of juice, guys. So I'll be doing the same process. So stay tuned and enjoy. So guys, like, share and follow for more recipes. This juice is also good to improve your skin and to flush out toxin from your system. So guys, as you all know, food is medicine. So the more you give to the body, the more you get out of it. So guys, as we know, carrot has calcium, potassium, magnesium. These combined will give carrot a natural healing properties for our body. So guys, you have to try this recipe. It is real simple and good for you. Guys, here we are with the second batch of juice. So I'm gonna be putting some in my cooling bottles. Look how rich this is, guys. This is so bright and colorful. Beautiful color for your eyes. Guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend, and decorate the edge of the glass. So guys, share with your friend, leave a comment as always, and don't forget to read the description. So guys, bye for now. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend.